Other than individually, we are growing up as a community. That's why we are inspired about Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. That's making rich. We have enormous respect to you. That's why I am telling you. Why can't you get that as example? I am truly grateful for all you have done. Keep in touch with us. I always think about you, how important you are to me. Most crucial and essential factors to make our future much better than today. To make much impressive, adorable, captivating, and quite rather good, fascinating life. This channel would help you. One of the benefit of being in touch with us Isivara Asapua, Isivara Digandu. Of course, it's just like as a cinema scope. Indeed, this home might have been made of white clay and wood at that time. Many workers were there at that time without wages. They work. There was a very broad veranda lobby. Poor fellows were waiting to Mudali's arrival, standing there, spending most of their time sitting in this veranda on those days. Standing there, sweating, without food, starving. Some people spend whole money for the liquor. Ultimately, they can't lead a happy and a healthy life. Gradually become the mendicants on the long run. Arachila has said by himself, anybody hasn't the strength to say. Anybody, it is completely incorrect, totally incorrect, like that they didn't say. No one in the people ever afraid to talk with me. Even though that he has said several times, but people were scared. Even the tutu was shy to hold in the hands of Manike he loves and walk down the street in public. Show that love in public. Hamus listen to particularly what they would like to hear only. On those days, many ladies hadn't a license to tell what they feel directly and exactly. Indeed, actually, even though he is 80 years old, we can't say that he is 60 years old. Still in good health, runs 1 kilometers every morning till he make him tired. As a result of being taken a very expensive booster drug from a leading hospital in London once a year. He used to eat fresh fruits, fresh food, as lot of short eats which are cooked in ham and roast mutton. Mustard Dolly, he doesn't sleep, sunrises to the bed, gets up early morning, listen to the popular music, jazz and western music. They had a magnetic look and majestic personality. Wherever we live in this world, we love you all. I dislike the snobbish behavior of the Araxnat society. We are partial to the humble common man. Laura was on those days she had a love with the famous cricketer at that time, but couldn't get it succeeded. I had uh, I had seen my grandmother said many times. She was very much she was very much bothered about her and so my education. She had a very nice profile picture even. They were they were forwarding to Canada. Get to know soon each other. That cricketer was looking forward to chat with their parents even on those days. That was not going on this video, isn't it? Andrew he is not a little boy anymore, Raini. How you see about you is not important. How you see you yourself is important. He called by the name title in His Majesty the Highness Most Distinguished Junior Duke of, like that. What I'm most interested in musical shows. Almost 6 years back, one popular pop star visited Sri Lanka for a show. Prices were not much as other countries. Almost everybody enjoyed that show. We were so privileged and honored by them to get them to the show. Mardi Gras party, which 2010 I went with there with my friends. I couldn't get there attend to that party until today, just like as a mega blast party. You know how I show. Atanagalu Oye, of course, it's just like as Mahavali River.